Good afternoon, teacher. The video is about Margarita Island. I would like to go alone to Margarita Island. It's located in Venezuela. It is a great place to enjoy, uh, to rest. My reason is because I have always wanted to travel alone to the beach, and I want to go there because it is one of the quietest and closest beaches. I hope to go after the pandemic. Mm, this place is calm down. The people uh, the people is very very face. Uh, for this reason, uh, he chose this place. Thank you.